Losing weight is very easy. Just eat less and you will lose weight. But think for yourself, if you eat less when you are hungry, how will you feel? Of course, you will feel stressed, irritated, and weak. Secondly, you won't be able to sleep properly at night due to hunger. And the next day, you will feel tired and unfocused. Always remember, trying to lose weight by eating less or skipping meals is an unhealthy practice. To understand this better, we need to know the difference between weight loss and fat loss. Now you might be wondering, weight loss and fat loss are the same. What is the difference? It sounds simple because the terms are used interchangeably by newspaper, the internet, and the media. But if we don't understand this from the beginning, we will make mistakes, get confused, and prepare ourselves for a great disappointment. That's why it's important to know the difference between weight loss and fat loss and where our focus should be. Hi, I'm Adish Gupta, a performance nutritionist. Since 2009, I have been helping people achieve their fitness goals. I myself have gone through the struggles of being obese, so I understand what a person dealing with weight issues faces. I have tried every weight loss method suggested by public, newspaper, the internet, gym trainers, but I was always disappointed. Then I studied nutrition science and I realized that losing weight isn't difficult at all. Then I transformed myself, helped my brother transform, and even helped my mother, who is 60, getting transformed. Now it's your turn. Let's understand weight loss versus fat loss scientifically. When we check our weight on the scale, we are measuring total body weight, which includes bones, muscles, organs, body fluids, skin, essential fat, and non-essential body fat. Bones, muscles, body fluids, skin, and essential fat together make up lean muscle mass. Our overall appearance, how attractive and healthy we look, our energy levels, our thinking, our decision-making ability, and positive attitude towards life and profession all depends on lean muscle mass. The more lean muscle mass you have, the better your life and health will be. Now comes non-essential body fat, also known as fat mass. Fat mass is that fat. When present excess in body leads to obesity and related diseases like diabetes, fatty liver, PCOD, hypertension, thyroid, uric acid, hormonal imbalance, indigestion, acidity problems, and many more. Excess fat also makes us out of shape. So let me ask you, to lose weight, what should we focus on? Lean muscle mass or fat mass? Of course, the answer is fat mass. Now that you understand this, you know the right focus. Lean muscle mass is the most precious thing we have. Would you ever want your bones, muscles, and internal organs to become weak in the pursuit of weight loss, making it difficult and painful to sit, stand, walk, or do any activity? No, of course not. No one would ever want to face these kind of problems. Let's understand this better so that your concepts are crystal clear. Can you tell me the difference between Mr. A and Mr. B? You would probably say that Mr. A is younger and Mr. B is older, maybe around 60 years of age. But I didn't mention their age yet. Let's assume both are 45 years old. So based what you have learned so far, tell me the difference between Mr. A and Mr. B. The correct answer is that Mr. A has more lean muscle mass than Mr. B, which is why he looks young, energetic, and dynamic. Mr. B, however, has lost lean muscle mass due to improper weight loss methods, making him appear older, weak, and unhealthy. So what should be our goal? Fat loss, not muscle loss. If we lose fat, weight loss will naturally follow. But due to lack of knowledge and improper guidance, most people make the mistake of eating less, skipping meals, or following someone else's diet plan, spending hours on the treadmill, thinking that they'll get healthier and fitter. But they end up facing problems like weakness, hair fall, dark circle, a dull face, depression, getting sick often due to weak immunity, early aging, joint pain, hormonal imbalance, irregular periods in women, and sexual dysfunction. So if you want to lose weight, remember, it's not just about weight loss, it's about fat loss and gaining lean muscle mass. To achieve the right goal, you need a proper nutritious diet plan that focuses on protecting and building lean muscle mass while burning fat. You might be thinking, why didn't I mention exercise? Well, if your diet is bad, no matter how much you exercise, fat loss won't happen. Exercise is meant to make you stronger, give your body shape, but to build lean muscle mass and burn fat, the most important thing is a proper diet. Result from exercise will only come when your diet is right. So there is no substitute for a nutritious diet plan. Just like our body signals us to drink water when we are thirsty, similarly, our body signals hunger when we need nutrition. So when you follow a nutritious diet, you will feel energetic. You won't have any acidity, gas or bloating. Moreover, unnecessary food and sugar cravings will go away and your body will feel light. You'll look back and think, I wish I had this guidance earlier, I wouldn't have to suffer so much. Friends, I have designed these diet plans keeping in mind the lifestyle and budget of students, non-working housewives, and people living in PGs or hostels, or those who don't know how to cook. No fancy food are needed, just simple homemade food. The scientific technique I'll teach in this program are essential for fat loss, and everyone needs to learn them to stay fit. Without them, you can't achieve effective fat loss or your dream body. Even if you hire the most expensive personal trainer or nutritionist, result will only come if you stay honest with yourself and follow what I teach. If you ever have any doubt, the chat support system is available for help. Just dedicate yourself for 3 months. That means only 12 weeks in a simpler way, just 90 days. You'll easily lose up to 10 kgs of fat along with improving lean muscle mass and overall health. You'll be surprised that after 1.5 to 2 months, people will start complimenting you for the visible results of your hard work, which in return boosts your confidence. Moreover, those people who used to make fun of your weight will now praise you instead. Friends, the plan given in this program are scientifically designed diet plans, and I don't think anything simpler or easier exists. I have included multiple veg and non-veg options that are simple, tasty, easy to prepare and filling. Now you have no excuse. Nothing can stop you from transforming. The only person can stop is you yourself. So let's start this fat loss journey with full honesty, confidence, a positive mindset. Let's get started.